In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage multiple Etsy stores using AdsPower. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, this guide will help streamline your process by keeping your store secure and separate. So let's dive in. First, we'll begin by launching the AdsPower app. It's important to have the app installed and updated to its latest version for the best performance and security features. Once the app is open, you'll need to log in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, there are plenty of resources online that can guide you through the sign-up process. Once logged in, you'll want to create a new browser profile. This step is crucial for keeping different stores separate and protected from any potential issues. On the left side of your AdsPower dashboard, you'll find a menu. Click on the Profiles section. This is where you'll manage all your different profiles. You're going to want to click on Plus New Profile. Here, you can give your new profile a meaningful name, like Etsy Store 1 or something similar. This label helps you quickly identify which profile corresponds to which store, especially when managing multiple accounts. Next, let's move on to adding a proxy. This might sound a bit technical, but it's a vital step, particularly for those of you managing multiple Etsy accounts. In the Profile window, you'll notice a section labeled Proxy. Here, choose Custom Proxy and enter your proxy details. This includes the IP address, port, username, and password. For instance, it might look something like this: http 203.0 buds 113.45 8000 £, demo, sire user, demo, pass 123. Once you've entered these details, click on Check Proxy to ensure that everything is set up correctly. If it says Success, you're all set. Then click Confirm to save your profile settings. Remember, each Etsy account should be paired with its own distinct proxy and profile to avoid any potential linking issues, which can jeopardize your accounts. With your profile created and your proxy set up, it's time to launch the Etsy profile. Go back to your list of profiles and find the one you just created. Click on the Open button, which is represented by a play icon. This will open a new browser window equipped with its unique fingerprint and proxy settings, ensuring a secure environment for your store activities. Finally, you'll need to log into your Etsy account or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. In the new browser window, navigate to www.etsy.com. Here, you can either sign in with your existing seller or buyer account or click Register to create a new account. The good news is that this account will now be completely isolated within its AdsPower profile, adding an extra layer of security and organization. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage multiple Etsy stores with increased safety and ease, thanks to AdsPower. Happy selling!